Guatemala on the 2023 Medical Practicum in Baja Verjas in Ribico. Today I will be with Paul Fry Miller doing pediatrics and seeing some patients and prescribing them medication if need be.
Today I'm going to be in intake, so I'll be checking people into the clinic, taking their blood pressure, BMI, temperature, and figuring out their problems and sending them to the right spot. My favorite rotation was in gynecology. I really enjoyed listening to the baby's heartbeat and being involved in women's health.
I'm so appreciative to the Manchester Fund for providing these scholarships that encourage students to step outside of their comfort zones and gain firsthand exposure to their careers in action. A special thank you to the Fundinor team for being so welcoming and collaborating with us. They really made sure that we were able to provide the healthcare that we needed to these underserved Mayan communities.
Especially thankful to Peggy Raymond for the scholarship. It helped me be able to go on this trip and be able to continue at Manchester. Thank you so much.
Thank you to the Miller Scholarship, the board that provides these scholarships to people. We appreciate all your help and support in allowing us to do this amazing journey.
To all of our alumni and all of our donors, on behalf of the student body, I want you to know that we are still here, we're still learning, and we are ready to make the world a better place one Manchester grad at a time. But we need your help. The heart of MU is with its students, and your bold generosity makes that possible to continue for generations. Thank you for believing in me, thank you for caring, and thank you for giving.